Hello everyone, now that you have your Instacart account ready, let me show you how to add items to your cart, which is very easy. So let's get started. First, open the Instacart app on your phone. And within the main screen, tap on the search bar at the top. This is where you can type the item that you want. Then press search, where it will show the list of the products within different shops. You can just scroll down, then tap on the product, where it opens the product page. Within it, you will see the product details like its size, price, as well as the available quantity. In order to add to your cart, please make sure to tap add to basket, where it will successfully add the product within the cart, and you will now be redirected to the shop page, where you will be recommended with different products. You can just scroll down and add products through the plus icon given within it, or come back. If you don't want to search the products through the search bar, you will see different categories just below it. Make sure to tap on it and you will further get different categories within that, or you can just scroll down in order to check out the products. But if you want to check out your added product, you can just tap the card icon given at the top right corner. From here, you will see the list of the product that you have added within the cart, or you can just remove the items if you change your mind through the three dotted icon given within it, and tap delete basket, and it will successfully remove the product through the cart. And that's it. You can just keep searching or browsing and tap add on anything that you want. Then the Instacart will keep track of everything in your cart. You are now ready to shop like a pro and get all your groceries delivered without leaving your home. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.